Hi everybody, it's me Pitts, the developer of ICECreatureControl, and I want to show you today how your creatures could interact together. So for this we start with an empty scene and directly import of a new package, and here we will use a skeletons pack from the asset store and import. So fine, back to the scene, and we can use directly the showcase scene from the pack. So fine, if I press play now, you can see here that's given it the important scene. So the first thing we need here is a ground for our creatures, and for this we want to use a plan. Yeah, we resize it a little bit. It's a little bit small. So, and to see the movements a little bit better, I want to do a grid on it. Here we can use from the ICE shared asset, the scales. We can use this material here. That's fine. So what is your? Yeah, that's perfect. So then we need our creature register. Here we can go to Windows, ICECreatureControl, Components, Add Creature Register. Now we have an empty creature register in our scene, and now we can start to prepare our creatures. So we start with the skeleton normal. So it's this one, and you see there's only the transform component and animation component. And now we add creature control. So, and define our home location. Click auto, so we generate automatically a new home location for our skeleton. We enable the show debug feature so we can see the gizmos, and now we can fulfill here the random positioning range. We set this random positioning range to 25, so that's this range here. That's fine. And stopping distances too, that's also okay. And now we can define our behaviors. So idle, we use waiting for battle. It's a loop, and that's okay. So walk animation, we don't have a walk, we have a run, so we want to use the run animation for this, and yeah, that's okay. Here we have also the run, that's fine. That's a loop, and here of course it's also a loop. So for the spawn we want to use the dance animation. We do it also as loop. So, and for the movement we use motion control internal movements, and as a ground check we want to use a raycast, the terrain layer, and for this we have of course also to set the terrain layer to the plan. Back to the creature. So, and our skeleton is B-padded, and that's all. Okay, so if I press play now, you will see the first skeleton it's running. So that's fine. And now we can do the same with all our other skeletons. And for this I just copy this component, add creature control component, add creature control, add creature control, and again, and here we can directly pass component values, past component values, past component values, and if we press play now, all our creatures running around. So that's fine, but now we want that our creatures could interact together. They should fighting together and so on. And for this we click on the creature register, and here in the creature register at the moment we have only the home location, and for the but we need also all our creatures inside, and so we press update, and it the creature register detect directly all our creatures. So we can group this, so we can see we have at the moment no player, we have one location inside, this is the home location we defined in the beginning, and we have our 4 creatures here now. So that's fine. And now we can go back to our creatures, and I want that the skeleton normal should fight with the skeleton mage. So now we click here to menu, click to interaction, and add a new interactor. And the new interactor should be the skeleton mage for here. So the first rule is the priority we set to 60. The skeleton selection range we set to 30 meters. So our skeleton should detect the mage if it is in a range of 30 meters. So, and if this is given, he should run to this skeleton. Yeah, so that's fine, we can test it. And now you see our skeleton normal is really close now to the mage skeleton, and have no other rules, and so he is turning around all the time, and this is absolutely wrong. Yeah. So for this, we go back here, and we need a second rule, because now here we have defined what your skeleton should do if the prey creature, the skeleton mage, is within a range of 30 meters, and you have to do run. But now we have to define also a rule what your creature have to do if it's reach the other creature. And for this we can add a further interaction rule here. And this interaction rule we called tag. So now we have the run, the hunt behavior, and we have an attack behavior. And this attack behavior should be run if our skeleton is within a range of 2 meters. So, and the priority must be higher than 60, because 2 meters is also within smaller than the 30 meters, and we want that he really do only the attack behavior and not switching between both behaviors. So if this is given now, your creature will directly start the attack behavior if it reached the 2 meter distance. So now we go here and modify. Here we use the attack. The attack is a loop. The speed is okay. Movement, we don't have any forward velocity, but we need an angular velocity. We set the angular velocity to 4 because our creature should always facing to its interactors. So, and for this we define here the angular velocity to 4 and the viewing direction to center. So, and if I press no play, we will see what's happened. So, and you can see here also, here all the time try to reach this radius of 2 meters, but our other creatures all the time flee, yeah, and so all the time stop, go, and this is also what we don't want. And for this, we're going directly here back to our attack behavior and say if you have which wrist distance favored the attack rule for at least 2 seconds. Yeah, we can change here. So that's good. That's a good value. We can use this. So the favored makes will block all other rules until the runtime it's fulfilled. Yeah. So, and now it looks a little bit more realistic. It starts. Yeah, you can fine adjust it now a little bit. Oh, what is he? Run. Ah, sorry. Of course, we need this. So, okay, that's fine. Now, the skeleton normal will attack the skeleton mage. So, now we go back here to the skeleton normal. And we will save now this interaction rules. Because I want to use the same rules also for our mage creature. So now here also we go to menu, interactor, and now I load these rules, but now I change only the target object. This is should be normal, the skeleton normal. So all the other rules are, we don't have the attack rule. Yeah, the run rule is ready. It's yeah, we have to do this. Yeah, and here we need, of course, we need an attack rule. So attack, and here we do the same. Attack. So loop movements we adjust also to 4, and viewing direction is center. So if we press play now, we will see our both creatures will attack together. Yeah. So this is a little bit boring now because they do all the time the same animations, and this is not what we really want to see. And for this, we go back here to our attack rule, and yeah, we do it directly here in the behaviors. It's better. So we have our idle, we have our walk animation, we have the run animation, we have the jump animation, we have the dead animation, the spawn animation, and we have our attack animation. So, and at the moment we have only this attack animation here, and what we say, it's a little bit boring. And for this we add now an additional behavior rule for this attack. So we click here, and now we have two rules within the attack behavior. We have our attack and we have an empty new rule. So, and here your creature should get a hit. You should do it only, we can do it by default. And if you get a hit, you have to go a little bit backwards, really slow, and here viewing direction, it's also center. So now we have two rules inside, and now we have also defined the play length of the rules, and for this we can set here, we said he should do this. Yeah, so it's fine. This we can do a little bit longer, and also the same here. We set this to 5 maximum value, and yeah, okay. No, it's it's to 1, so it's better. So, and now we have two rules. Now the play the order type will be cycle, and we do it random, so it's more realistic. Otherwise, we will do attack and get hit, attack, get hit, attack, get hit. And with random, it is more randomized. So, and if we play now, yeah, you see they do sometimes also the different behaviors. This is not really clear, and so what we do now, we can do a copy of this rule now, and we do a third rule, and the third rule is waiting for battle. And while he is waiting for battle, it's 0, and we can copy this rule again and do, you should do a step forward, and this you should do really short, just for 1, and you should do it also really slow and to center. Can do a loop. So and now you see, yeah, of course the animation is not really suitable to do this. Yeah, normally we need really a step backwards. Yeah, but you can define here all the animations you want. So now we go here and save also our behaviors. Go back here to our skeleton normal. Go to behaviors and load the behaviors. So also our skeleton normal have now different rules. Yeah. And now you see it's more realistic. Yeah, we have to adjust, adapt the time a little bit. And the get hit is not really suitable. So here we go back here to the, and this should do also more short. So 5. So at least if you get a hit, so loop. Yeah, that's okay. This should be better. So you can play. Yeah, you have to adapt the values. Yeah, and so you really have, and yeah, and this was backwards. It's not so a nice idea without a movement, without a 3D movement. But you see how it works and the principle. Yeah. Okay. Thanks a lot, and we will see us soon. I will do much more videos like this. Okay. Thanks a lot. Bye.